Hey guys, it's Burgas here, and in this video I will talk about why positioning is vital in Grave of Venom dungeon, and I'll explain why. As we all know, there are spells that you definitely want to position your heroes so you don't get hit by a lot. For example, this one, poison damage to enemies within the range, and so on. But in general, for the Grave of Venom, this is not the biggest problem about the positioning. Of course, where the spell is hitting definitely matter, but there is something else. This boss is not alone. So if we make one fight, maybe just to explain you, I'm going to challenge this boss. There are these two balls. So if I put my hero here, look at this. Right now is only the will fire up only over the harpy. But if I put here this hero, he also is going to fire up these bows, and we're not actually care about these bows. Even if you try to ignore the boss hit, and for example put one hero here, and I don't know, this one here, it didn't actually matter, just to avoid the multiple hit from this boss. This hero is going to hit this bow. This hero is going to hit this bow. So in general, you're going to be left with just these three heroes hitting over this boss. And I don't think this is a good idea. So the way I position my heroes for the Grave of Venom is I just stuck them. I know I'm going to get some damage, but this fight is more for the tank. Here the tank is important in the Grave of Venom. And if you have good tank, nothing else actually matter. But if you split the damage between, for example, this bow and this bow, the fight is going to be way more longer. And if your hero is weak, you're going to receive huge amount of damage over time that your hero may not out heal at some point. So I'll show you what I mean by that. I'll just start the fight, and of course at a specific moment I'm going to stop the fight. As you can see, this hero is hitting this bow. This one is hitting this bow. Okay, my main hero attack and Varish hit is multiple attack. Is going to hit the harpy with the ultimate, but this is not the main point. The main point is the damage is separated. So you have to actually hit them at the same place. You have to hit the harpy. This is the main target. But if we put the heroes like this, or maybe we can go like this, it didn't actually matter. The boss is going to hit us anyway. Maybe like this, still we're going to get hit. And if we start right now the fight, we're going to see all the heroes is going to actually attack the harpy. Well, this hero didn't attack the harpy, but you get the idea. Most of the times the heroes is just going to attack the harpy. So when you deploy your heroes, you definitely want to see where the hero is going to go when you deploy it. It's really important for the Grave of Venom. And I think this is one of the most important instances in the game, since here you get your gear for the DPS, and you want to make as much DPS as you can. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It's just short tips. Hit one like, subscribe if you enjoy, and see you in the next amazing video.